Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can use the adjust option in VN editor. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, as you can see, has the video, and after clicking on the video, we need to click on this option. As you can see, I'm going to click on this option. In the first section, you will be able to see the filters option. So after that, you will be able to see the adjust option here. So as you can see, all the options are provided here. In the adjust section, you will be able to see all the necessary options are provided here. The first option is exposure. As you can see, if you want to increase the exposure, you can also do that. As you can see, in this way, I'm going to increase the exposure. If you want to decrease it, you can also do that in this way. And after that is the contrast option. If you want to increase the contrast or decrease the contrast as well, you can do that. And the brightness is also provided here if you want to increase or decrease that. And saturation is also provided here, and the vibrancy is also provided here. As you can see, the temperature is also provided. If you want to select the temperature, you can also do that. As you can see, these all options are provided in the sharpen section, and these all are provided here. As you can see, has the apply all section, apply to all. If you click on the apply to all, this setting will be applied to on all your clips in the VN editor. So as you can see, if you want to check out the preview or difference, you have to click on this option and press the key, and here you will be able to see the difference between edited and before the editing option. So if you want to make it the video by default as it was, you have to click on the reset and all things will be reset. So in this way you can do that. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use the adjust option in VN editor. So see you guys in the next video.